Can you imagine eating this delicious prawn noodle bowl during your weight loss journey? Because it's just 400 calories with 30 grams of protein. Key ingredient that we are using today is Shirataki noodles. As you see, only 5 calories per 100 grams. So I will be using the whole pack, which is 400 grams. I'm going to rinse this noodle to get rid of all this water and get rid of the odor. Now it's the time to prepare the stuff for the stir fry. Roughly chop 1 onion. Finely chop 10 garlic cloves. 1 medium carrot. 50 grams of leek. To make the sauce, I will be using key 5 ingredients commonly used in the Asian cuisine. You can find them in most of the supermarkets or in your local Asian grocery store. Soy sauce for flavor. Mirin is a sweet rice wine. Fish sauce to enhance the flavor. Rice wine vinegar for acidity. And my favorite Korean chili paste, Gochujang. This one's packed with flavor, very low in calories. 1 tablespoon of Gochujang. 1 tablespoon of Mirin. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, 20 milliliters of water. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Mix well to make sure everything combines well. Set the cooker in medium heat and put a pan in without any oil and chuck in your noodles. Whole purpose of this is to get rid of the excess water. Now I've been cooking our noodles for almost 2 minutes. It's getting a bit crispy. That's how you know that's done. Set the cooker to low heat. Spray some olive oil. Now we are going to get our prawns cooked. I have marinated the prawn with salt and pepper. We are going to cook each side 2 minutes. After 4 minutes, our prawns are fully done. For the stir fry, I'll be using my wok, but you can use any saucepan if you don't have a wok. Spray some olive oil. Now I will be adding my onion, garlic, carrots, finally leek. Our vegetables are now done. It's time to add our sauce. We are going to add our prawns, add the noodle. Mix and combine everything. Prawn noodle is now done. Finally add some spring onion after turning off the heat.